Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to share one DIY lip scrub. It is very beneficial for your lips and very easy to make. For making this DIY lip scrub, you will need coconut oil, rose petals, sugar and jojoba oil. Now, for making this DIY lip scrub, take one mortar or pounder, add some rose petals in it, add sugar and start grinding it. Sugar is primarily used for exfoliation of your lips and it also removes upper dead skin layer of your lips. And rose on other hand repairs your dark and patchy lips. It also reduces discoloration of your lips. Now add some coconut oil in this. Coconut oil moisturizes your lips and it also helps in reducing swelling of your lips. Make sure to grind sugar properly, otherwise it can also harm your lips. Now, after almost grinding all ingredients together, you can add some jojoba oil in this. It is a waxy texture, so it will create a protective barrier to your dry and chapped lips to make it look more moisturized, soft and smooth. It also helps to reduce fine lines of the lips. And yeah, our DIY rose lip scrub is ready. You can store this lip scrub for easily 7 to 10 days in refrigerator. if you can see or not, but I can literally see a little bit difference on my lips. But for major difference, you have to use it regularly. By regular, I mean you can use it once a week. Do not over exfoliate your lips by any way. Also, do not forget to use generous amount of lip balm after exfoliating your lips.
Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this lip scrub will help you maintaining your lips soft. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.